You're watching the AI Report. Lots of interesting news today. We have a great show. Let's get into it. Microsoft CEO and one of the least unlikable rich people, in my opinion, Satya Nadella, believes that AI will be bigger than the internet. In an internal memo released to the company, he stated that despite all the obvious hype around AI, it will still be a huge technological revolution. Yeah, I don't know what else to tell you guys. AI will be huge. I honestly struggle to understand people who willingly choose not to pay any attention to it. Next, AI can predict your biological age from a chest X-ray. Researchers from Osaka Metropolitan University in Japan published a study in the Lancet Healthy Longevity Journal where they trained an AI on the chest scans of 67,000 healthy people and 34,000 scans from people with known diseases. The AI was trained to estimate the person's biological age based on the scans. In case you're not familiar with the terminology, chronological age is the age on your driver's license. You know, the number you lie about when you're young to buy liquor and get into clubs, and also the number you lie about when you get older in order to attract younger partners. Biological age, however, is more like an indicator of how poorly you take care of your health. For example, your real age may be 25, but if you're boozing and partying and smoking 3 packs a day and spend a lot of time screaming at the screen, your biological age is then something like 64 maybe. So, with the new AI technology, now you can be even more aware of the bad decisions you're making every day and still not do anything about that. Or if you choose to go the other route and actually do something about it, you can easily become a health freak with the new AI-powered DIY diagnostics tools. A myriad of tools offer people options to monitor a lot of data about their health and a lot of signals that their body is sending, which can result in early detection of serious diseases and either complete prevention or personalized effective cures and treatments. For example, an AI algorithm developed by Stanford University diagnoses skin cancer with an accuracy rate of 95%, while the average hit rate for dermatologists is 86%. And in a study published by Scientific Reports, AI can diagnose autism spectrum disorder. Researchers at the University of Sao Paulo's Institute of Mathematics and Computer Science developed an AI algorithm that they trained on brain imaging data from 500 people, 242 of whom have been diagnosed with ASD. The algorithm can now diagnose ASD with 95% accuracy. Again, a great accuracy actually. The methodology is still under development since diagnosing ASD is a very complex matter. Great job, guys. Moving on, Russian hardware company Baikal Electronics will start working on AI chips. Okay, I'm kind of surprised it took Russia this long to start getting more involved with AI. Maybe, and this is gonna sound like a crazy theory, but hear me out, maybe going to war is not good for progress and innovation. Just a theory. And finally, AI adoption turns out to be a tricky thing. 1,500 companies with more than 250 employees were surveyed about AI in an S&P survey. 70% of them said that they had at least one AI project they're working on currently, but 31% of them are still in the pilot or proof of concept stages. Outdated data infrastructure, poorly organized data, security practices, and data management solutions are their biggest challenges. Half of the IT leaders surveyed said it would take their companies 5 years or more to fully build AI into their workflows. This is our time, guys. This is where the new wave of great jobs might come from. Sure, there will be tons of, quote, prompt engineers, end quote, and AI artists and AI, quote, experts, end quote, with vaguely defined skill sets, but there will also be tons of data engineers and analysts and architects who will make killer salaries and become, to the next 2 decades, what software engineers used to be to the previous 2 decades. These people are gonna be the new software engineers, in my opinion. We will talk about all of that on this channel more. There's a lot of money on the table, and I plan to turn this channel into a vehicle to get you guys some piece of that action. For now, if you truly want to prepare for this in the best way possible, and even if you've never done anything like this before, here's a great, free, simple thing you can do. Go to a site like Coursera.org or Udemy.com and type in the word statistics in the search bar, or some variant of it like statistics for beginners maybe. This entire AI thing we're talking about, that's where it starts. That's what it's based upon. If you want to become technically versed in this and be the most empowered and strongest player in this field, it's a really smart idea to learn the fundamentals. My guess is, and I'm seriously not trying to pander to you or anything, but I seriously suspect that the average viewer of this channel is an intelligent person. Don't let a little bit of math and Greek letters scare you from a very prosperous future. As I said, I will take this channel in that direction, but until then, just watch one of the free courses on statistics or any field related like that. It will not only help you with AI, but it will help you with everything else in life. There's no better way to completely prepare yourself for the uncertain future that is certainly coming, and that's the way it is. That was the AI Report. Like and subscribe to become future-proof and a successful learning machine with a lucrative future ahead of you, and I will see you tomorrow.